How to open EverBank account. To open an EverBank account, now known as TIAA Bank, follow these steps. Go to the TIAA Bank website. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as a checking, savings, or money market account. Click on Open an Account or a similar option to begin the application process. Deposit the initial required amount to fund your new account. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and employment information. Double-check your information, agree to the terms and conditions, and submit your application. You may also need to provide identification documents and sign any required forms. Once approved, you'll receive instructions on how to manage it. Thanks for watching.